What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear reflectors in this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, to take this reflector out from the back side of the bumper, there's a screw right here towards the outside of the vehicle. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver and loosen up this screw. We'll take that screw out completely. As I do that, I'm just going to hold the reflector from the outside. You can just push on the tab and slide the reflector out. On the back side, there's a little tab right here that's going to slide into the slot towards the middle of the vehicle, and then push on that. And then take the screw with the Phillips head screwdriver, line that up, get that started, and just snug it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.